Wo jumedie eso no wo brofo kasem no asem ne say one day you will just be a memory to some people, so do your best to be a good one. You were born with the ability to change someone or to change someone's life, so don't ever waste it. TBMU, one day you will just be a memory to some people, so do your best to be a good one. So be a memory there, then be a good one. You were born with the ability to change someone's life, so don't ever waste it. Obrano de no na obon ya wo abati asefo asase so a wote ase onwuyi nko ade obrana na oguso obon nenso no enye se ya na beye da emre bi beba ye bojere justice din a ebeye nka ya ade because I will be no more. It's ye bebo mi din e de akai some time ago there was this guy, oh, their friend Jerry Justice. Oh, one I know you Ofie Kwanso Adom FM. Oh, that boy say and you do the me ni the man ni na no ombeka onipa bia wasa asusu bia no eden ya dakro also be a memory to some people. I won't bet me akakai wo it is a sign be there ene aden na wo mon homoden na wonye de eye wonye de senefata wonye de mpo ebetimi abo afefo bi ya dachi bi ni ye kaiwa ye be kaiwo enka ye papa na enkoye se ye kaiwa na eye ne bone kwan so nyame bon ye ba asase so no obia wade sonko a ewoni mu a saade no obetimi e de aboa ne nyonko bi de asesa na brabo enti ade na wo ma de na hye agu asekwa makape na mesensi so biem enye se bi obi enyame ahia na ma wanya sika ma bulu nso tam epani obi otimi boa obi. The richest man on planet cry no ono cry no etoda ono so hia help from obi oyo hiani. What I say enti men dream say just why ye sikani filthy rich and son na obetimi aboa obi. There be in your own small way, there's something small, there's something, you know, simple somewhere. I'll bet me a some way, somehow, and the aboa will be a money pacono, and the best so forever. A be woni pacona dream. What shall be New York now when you pacon bet me a can once him. There's a movie, or shall some movie Nibia, a very your friend Coco, COCO. What the Unya Daja, she shall some movie nature, as animated movie CB. A solid movie. When you control some movie in Yamishan Pa. My show movie now to us be more than 4 times. And Meshibia, I don't get bored. Always be I arresting my attention. And you see, if we ask now you want said the midi kind no then I won't change ball. Watch nebi na wuni obi mu. Na wuni ho no, e kira asem te sen. Obra na oboy no ye betimi akai wo mponi na ye kai wa den na ye be kai de afa ho ma enye wo asem hia na enne ye nyame de ache wo ya wo the ability to help others, the ability to live a good life no yiro ho, go all out, seize every opportunity and do good. Said the beya or chine bi no unni ho na waye enkaye pe ya man for be kai wo no wadane memory no aye good one ya kai wo aka sempa fa ho na enye se wachiri no ebe yen sembasa. It depends on you, not any other person, because obra any warabo. One day you will just be a memory to some people, so do your best to be a good one. You were born with the ability to change someone's life, so don't ever waste it. Midwest. Yan fast that can say my mighty power range of products. Yeah, when you be I bow ye pa. Not just say I want them my pan. And I about redeeming mighty power tonic. And then the capsules and the bois. Na umuja ayetibo isa se fia bamuti ntimi eni afrisane yi no a purify na yi mufini na I light it me dia afrisane yi best security correct pa what I say be me na why emre wo mpam we no be say gira wana mo so bi what I say now tie usisi joint ni ade ya na tire ya when you hwa ade na ye wisi mighty power tonic and the capsules I clear our problem if you are my one time. Just a one no. Sanso and your mighty power expires ointment. Pacho no eye ko kwadru. Ukoko na betu your baby. Oh ya ko baby ni mo akunwa kra ointment na se. To date make kausa uti kura na wura fi so gina nipam. Mame, ha dwen. Bema bi pa koko etua ne baby. E pai sei. Modi e betu no. E chense bi oba wakwa fichire. Enye yare bia egu nipa ni mu ase pa na nanu adura ne mighty power expires ointment ebe shini na proponi na afi we area mu ama ho ato why your mighty power keep fit laxative and then the syrup your friends and then the capsules yeah no unya bi na no mu a why yamtim how adwen kwhye small room wa wo de sa I say, try to be a team at Chimuno. Ya war pentim with free. The king sounds what they ma. No mighty power keep fit laxative. And then a capsule CB. Ne shot there. What transfer effortless. Na best now are you free? A mamma ni ade womuna. Cleaning na. I'm a muada or correct pa. Sounds soon your mighty power. Hair cream. Uti no next na ebubu na etete ehwo ewo tim setie ni unya bia wawie uti nu mu entete biem emubu biem uti ni ntimi funu na befu ebe brom fefefe kama pa asese chahoma no wona ba bia na ajo fansa all the empachi afi mighty power beauty cream abusua wow skin effect pa ka chese kama but I say dark spots be black spots be wo musa and I say wrinkles be ajo skin na boso tiemo ahwo fene so te we de ani na say we ya hyewa ma bibi ho hwe ebe brighten o skin no kama o natural color no wa fane ye na toso fefefe na o skin so asan ye soft say moton we ya mamu ya ne no enya brofo de ya onya ye de chemicals bi a chechimu a wo sra na ekum yi we pra da bi yenya ye Ghana haya ne no papa any mighty power skin rashes cream or and then yeah ringworms ne ade yeah omo ha dwen we die ni pimples ne yamono de keka ho tokuri mu ne ade ntotode ne apopro ni nyina no etuna say one time na bibia aye cool ubenya products ni na bia ekira kwan wo pharmacy ne herbal shops awodo ni nyina nationwide dodo pa no hwehwe mighty power company ekira kwan yes afre 0243 122 192 and 0242 725 009. Mighty power or say it's your body papa you don't want say so mo so ya sne ema itimi eti ene asem ya edi 2 ye honfo e wo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM and good evening going out to you Clement or say wahre eye o papa nyame Adom a weekendi na o papa yi no baso minua yama shedden why nyame nka ho na ochichore nti yesre adofo se monso monhwe na yinua beman enkuja no na ono so nkoye ne papa ayi fefefe kama pa nti nyame Adom a ochina Saturday the 2nd of March na chese ne Friday kwa no omo ehwe na chese asen amoaben when edeno aye atumpom na wiki na koso na finyame Adom ochina Saturday the 2nd of March no and also no anopa 4 am kopema 10 am no omo ahwe edena atumpom sa na burial no be koso we asen amoaben public cemetery 11 am na omo wi a omo ede ayi no abetoa so asen amoaben wa omo funeral grounds ho anopa 11 na kopem se bebo anwumre 5 na nyame ya adom a Sunday the 3rd of March no so no upim ewo New Apostolic Church ewo asen amoaben a anopa 8 kopem se 12 bebo no omo edene Thanksgiving service no so no atoa so na fi final funeral rites na atoa so from area 1 ekopem anwumre 6 p.m. Enuntino Clement will say, only a bush and phone in Yamamo shedding a o papa will free mu opening kweku abwaji. Yame emfa nekra insie. Abusuanya twa Jumedino eso Adom 106.3 FM Ofie Kwanso Freestyle Friday BBA TBC.
Mighty Power Tonic